Top 5 Best Chainsaw for Beginners. Number 5. Echo CS590. The Echo CS590 Timber Wolf Chainsaw is very capable of using both domestic and professional circumstances. There are chainsaws with more prominent blades, but this one can work in almost any situation. This machine runs with fuel and has a fuel tank with a decent .57-liter capacity to get you hours of work done. Furthermore, it goes with the 20-inch standard blade bar and can fit above the average of between 14 and 18 inches blade. It has a decompression valve that works by releasing pressure from the combustion chamber, making it easier to start the motor whenever you pull on the starting cord. An automatic oiler system will keep the blade and chain lubricated as you go. Pros. This saw is a powerhouse. Comes with the Echo 5-year warranty. Vibration dampening system works great. Built-in safeguard. Cons. The protective chain guard is made of plastic. Don't have a toolless chain tensioning system. Coming in number 4. Greenworks BL Chainsaw. Greenworks' new G-Max is a high battery-powered chainsaw for smaller applications. This device can efficiently cut the majority of thick or hardwoods faster than the gas-powered chainsaw. The power-state brushless motor generates more power until it cuts faster, and each charge gives an average cut. The exclusive M18 fuel technology lets the unit reach full throttle and variable speed trigger, providing ultimate productivity and control. The intelligence ensures the best performance and protects the unit and battery from overheating, overload, and over-discharge. There is a bar guard that shifts over the chain and bar to block damage or someone who might brush up against it. The stainless steel material enhances the longevity of the saw. Pros. Silent operation but fast cutting. Convenient and powerful. Long battery life. Significant to work in tight spaces. Effortless, easy cleanup. Cons. Nothing found. Coming in number 3. Makita XCU04Z. Makita XCU04Z is a very appealing mid-size cordless chainsaw for the beginner who wants domestic work done. Those who wish to replace corded or gas-powered outdoor power equipment with a cordless one can buy this saw. This chainsaw has a brushless chain with zero emissions, lower noise, and fewer maintenance features. It's driven by two 18-volt LXT batteries for 36-volt power and runtime. The hold-down safety button makes it almost injury-free, plus an instant chain brake and metal bucking heads for greater control. It has a 14 inches guide bar and amp, a motor with variable speed which delivers 0 to 3, 940 fpm. Another great facility of this saw is a toolless chain adjustment. The underlying LED on and off switch with the automatic power-off operation. When the activity is suspended for extended battery life, it lowers the saw. Pros. For easy operation. Toolless chain adjustment. Have an oil bar indicator. Built-in LED on-off switch with auto power-off function. Cons. None. Coming in number 2. Craftsman CMCCS 620M1. The Craftsman CMCCS 620M1 cordless chainsaw is a favorite model among users for good reasons. Within a reasonable price, you get a saw with a powerful motor, a chain brake, tool-free chain tensioning, and auto-oiling system for minimal maintenance. The cordless compact chainsaw featured a 20-volt motor for robust execution and was fueled by a high-performance 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery that can run for a long time. With the 3/8 inches chain and 2 amp-hour battery, the occasional branch trimming can be done quickly, but heavier stuff like 6 to 8 inch log sectioning will need a 4 amp-hour. Pros. 3-year limited warranty. The best oil pouring access. High capacity 4 amp-hour battery pack. Regular minimal maintenance. Cons, it doesn't have a brushless motor. Fewer safety features. Coming in number 1. BLACK+DECKER LCS1240. The BLACK+DECKER LCS1240 is a high-quality, innovative and affordable cordless chainsaw featuring a 40-volt max lithium-ion battery for longer runtime and overall life. On average, a single charge can charge up to 5 times higher and stay up to 4 to 5 hours. That provides over 64 by 4 pine lumber cuts. You can cut any material smoothly and fastly with the 12 inches Oregon low kickback bar and chain. The lightweight design and tool-free chain tensioning allow for quick and easy chain adjustments and also easy to use. The automatic oiling system assures regular bar and chain lubrication, and the wraparound handle increases control and comfort. Pros: automatic oiling system, tool-free chain tensioning, wraparound handle for comfortable cutting, green LED charging light indicator. Cons: need regular charging. Not suitable for the professional user.